Wish. The verb wish can be used in many different ways to express a variety of meanings. Wish sentence must be with past tense of the verbs for expressing a desire for something that is not possible. For example, I wish we lived by the sea. Actually, we don't live by the sea now. I wish I could play the guitar. Actually, I can't play the guitar. Mom wishes it didn't rain all the morning. Actually, it rains all the time. Next, for expressing annoyance, we can use wish with would or wouldn't plus verb infinitive to show annoyance with someone or something. For example, I wish you wouldn't borrow my clothes without asking. I wish they would stop worrying about me. I wish it would stop raining. I wish she'd be quiet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.